Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for the ultimate Yoto accessory, then you have to check out this card holder from Jeachan. I wanted my son to have a safe location to store all of his cards so he knew exactly where to go and there was no missing cards. With this card holder, it is easy for him to organize them how he wants to. He can slide it in and out of any one of the 80 different pockets, and he can easily take them out whenever he wants to play with one. This has 10 different dual-sided, clear, transparent card holder sheets. The transparency helps my son be able to see which card he's grabbing, but I also really appreciated that the slots are angled because this allows little hands to easily insert and remove the cards in each specific slot. We use our Yoto both at home and on the go, so having a card holder that supports that was really important too. And it's small enough that he can just carry it along with him with his Yoto. This case is extremely kid-friendly. It had to be designed with kids in mind, from the super fun cover to the durability to the easy access and functionality of it. With 80 different slots, it's easy to put all his cards all in one spot. We have definitely not reached 80 cards yet, but this also gives him room to grow his library. If you're looking for a super fun and protective carrying case that keeps all those Yoto cards in one spot, I would definitely 100% check out this one. But that's just my point of view.